There's an old familiar hillside overlooking my house in Texas, where I left some childhood memories laying round. I can almost hear them praying, I can almost hear them singing at the old camp meetings, eating chicken on the ground, on the ground. With the hallelujahs ringing, everybody shouting and singing, give me that old time religion, Jesus loves me, this I know. When life was finger licking good and God lived in our neighborhood, at the old camp meetings, eating chicken on the ground, on the ground.
I reckon every one of us can call back or remember when the taste and smell of youth was all around. And I reckon in our own way everyone has done some paying for the times we didn't listen to old Parson Brown.
Parson Brown, with the hallelujahs ringing, everybody shouting and singing, give me that old time religion, Jesus loves me, this I know. When life was finger licking good and God lived in our neighborhood, at the old camp meetings, eating chicken on the ground, on the ground. It was at the old camp meeting with some old-time gospel preaching that I knelt beside an altar on the ground. And I can still remember all the happiness inside me when I called upon the Lord and laid my burdens down, laid them down. With the hallelujahs ringing, everybody shouting and singing, give me that old time religion, Jesus loves me, this I know. When life was finger licking good and God lived in our neighborhood,